So, if you've been following along with me, this probably feels like a big deal. Why does CRUD feel like a big deal? And the reason that it's going to feel like a big deal is if you saw the prior videos, we were using Flask Make View. That did this on a single route, basically, like on the index or on the show or on the create. CRUD did it all at once. It did all 7 of these at one time. And that's a superpower. That is a developer's speed. And in my head, it's like a headache relief pill. I don't have to think, oh, okay, I've got recipes. I'm going to end up having to do all 7 RESTful actions. So let's go create the controller, and let's create a route, a blueprint, and let's register the blueprint. And actually, I forgot to mention that. So it did all those things for us in one command with Flask Make Controller, RecipeController, minus CRUD. We ended up with a controller that has 7 RESTful actions. And we ended up with all the routes. We ended up with all the templates. And we ended up with, and I should have shown this in the prior video, we ended up with the blueprint being registered at the create app level. So it's like a superpower. Now, does that mean we didn't need Flask Make View? Absolutely not. That is not what I'm saying. Flask Make View absolutely has its purposes. And in the event that you just need like one or two views, like if you just need index or edit, then use Flask Make View. But if you know from the beginning, like you're making a resource and you're going to need all 7 or maybe even 4 of the 7 RESTful actions or a few of the 7 RESTful actions, I would use Flask Make Controller and add in the minus CRUD flag. And so that gives you that superpower of making everything all at once. Now, one thing it did not make, which this does, is it made the model. And so don't worry, I am going to talk about that in the next section. So Flask Make Controller, pretty cool already. See you in the next video.